Hi friends, and welcome to the Feathered Cottage Adventures. I just wanted to come on here really quick and let you all know that today I will not be doing Wednesday in the Word, Battlefield of the Mind Bible study. I am knee deep, as you can see, in packing, and we are trying to get out of here hopefully this weekend. It's a lot of challenge going through what you're keeping, what you're donating, what you're giving to your kids, and everything in the downsizing process. Whole lot different than just moving from house to house. That was hard, I thought, but that was really easy. This is a big challenge, and so I'm just taking it one room at a time. But I wanted to let you all know that there will not be any Wednesday in the Word. For those that have not been a part of Wednesday in the Word, we'd love for you to join us. We meet Wednesdays at 1 o'clock Central, and we are finishing up Battlefield of the Mind. We will be starting a new study as soon as we're done with that one. But I just, again, like I said, want to let you all know that there will not be any Wednesday in the Word today. I appreciate you joining us. I hope you all have a great and blessed week. I love you all. I got you in my thoughts and prayers. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.